Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. The video of today is all about the Soundcore A30i. Well, we have reviewed bunch of Soundcore kind of products in the past, and this kind of Soundcore A30i, what's so special about it? It's called lipstick shaped. It means like it has a case which it's a little bit minimal and you can just squish it and it's just easier to carry and stuff like that. It captured my attention so many times. I've seen some of my friends having it and I said, you know what, let us just try it out. What's so special about it? So enough of me talking, let's get started. So guys, here's our product from Soundcore A30i and we're going to be unboxing it right now. Whoa, nice. So you're having your paperwork in here, which is really nice to read it and understand what's happening throughout your buds. And another kind of stuff, you're getting your tips of the buds over here. So these are your exchangeable kind of tips of buds whenever you want to exchange it throughout your buds. So this is a USB Type-C, which is really nice throughout your Soundcore kind of product. And last but not least, here is our bad boy, as you can spot it. So this is your bad boy throughout Soundcore and it's really nice kind of stick and it looks very minimal and stealth, like literally this looks really good. So that's how you slide it and this is how it works. Really nice kind of earbuds from Soundcore A30i. And let me show you guys something else. You see, these are R50 Soundcore buds. I've been using this kind of Soundcore buds for a while and they have been working very fine. Something which I love about Soundcore, they stay for quite long and they're really nice throughout conditioning and even the sound quality. So guys, we're going to be testing this kind of Soundcore A30i and we're going to be experiencing how the sound quality. As you can spot it right now, this is how they stay on my ears and they fit in really nice. Can't complain at all. And I guess it's pairing time. So pairing this kind of bad boy throughout your phone, you can download the Soundcore app and you can have total control of pairing. So we're gonna just do it here. So as you guys can see step by step how you're gonna be pairing throughout your phone if it's your first time having them. So right now I'm inside my Soundcore app and I'm gonna navigate throughout our device and I'm gonna be searching it and it's gonna be popping up here. So Soundcore A30 and we're gonna be pairing just like that and allow and pair. Okay, we are in. So it changes the color even through the product to indicate that this is a blue kind of version. So you're having noise cancellation, normal, it becomes normal, and it has transparency, which means I can hear surround and I can even talk with people and stuff like that and still listen to the soundtrack which I'm having. And on this side of noise mode, noise cancellation, you won't feel anything, but you'll feel it switched to another kind of mode. Now throughout here it has wind noise reduction. That means it will be so much intense for the people who are cycling like me for sports. It's really nice because wind is a problem sometimes and you won't listen to anything. And it has sound effects, so if you want 3D sound, it's having a 3D sound. So I don't know how the 3D sound actually works, but we're going to be figuring it out. Another kind of stuff, it has bass booster if you want bass booster, but I'm going to leave Soundcore signature. And you can have custom EQ if you prefer custom EQ. You can play around with your custom EQs and you're having something great. Another kind of stuff, you're having touch controls, which you can have single tap to do like minus volume throughout left, and the right side you can say volume plus, but usually I prefer to have double tap to play. Okay, it's fine, same as my other Soundcore R50. So tap 3 times, I'm gonna say voice assistance, and another mode, tap 3 times, I'm gonna say ambient sound. Oh, that's really extensive. Like the sound quality, to be honest, I kind of like it. It's just pushing itself harder. To be honest, these are the dopest kind of Soundcore buds with budget friendly, and I don't know what to say, but these kind of buds, they really surprised me. Like literally, they're really good. So guys, let's talk about the Soundcore A30 core specs. Well, it has a Bluetooth version 5.4, it has a driver size of 6mm dynamic composite diaphragm, it has a noise cancellation with adaptive smart ANC, It has a transparency mode. It has a microphones with 4 mics with the noise AI reduction. It has a multi-point connection, which you can connect multiple devices. It has a water resistance of IP54, splash and dust resistance. Battery life can last up to 7 hours, ANC off and ANC on 5 hours, and it gives you 24 hours with the case. Fast charging 10 minutes gives you 2 hours of playback. Charging port, it has a USB-C. It has a weight of 3.7 grams per earbud. The case, it's a lipstick style magnetic slide design. EQ control, custom EQ and 22 presets on the app. Audio range up to 20 Hz and 20 kilohertz. Okay, you heard the sound, how it's picking up, but you know, whenever I share my audio style of sound, how the earbud they're picking up, you might be judging it depending on your phone which you're using or earbuds which you're testing. But to my kind of experience, to be honest, since I've used these kind of earbuds right now here at the studio, I find it they're really nice and they have a good sound. The bass is really good. As you know, Soundcore, they have a good amazing bass. Not only on the bass side, the sound signature, it's really superb. So from the scale of 10 to 0, this kind of earbud, I'm going to rate them around 9. Why 9? Because I wish it could be having more play sound around even 9 hours, but I know ANC and stuff, it opt out around 5 hours, but with ANC off it gives you around 7 hours, so it's not such a day or a deal breaker. Still, it's a worth it kind of earbud to check it out. Another kind of stuff through these kind of buds, the design. So you might be saying, okay, it's a lipstick kind of design, that means it's feminine. Actually, no, it's not made for women only, but these kind of earbuds, they're made for both. Everybody can use them. It's just that they made it the design whereby it's called like a lipstick, but for me, I call this design like a cube kind of sliding design. This is just my perspective. You can judge throughout how the product it is, but you judge through the sound signature of the product, how it produces. Color wise, this color is really nice. I've never had a color like this. I remember I had a skull candy. Yeah? We had a skull candy with a different kind of color way back. We reviewed it, but this one, it's really nice. It captured my attention. I said, you know what, this would be my buds whenever I'm just working throughout my kind of workflows and I need something decent to be using. I've been rocking this baby for a while. The RF50, they never disappointed, or the P20 you can call them. They never disappointed. They're really nice. They survived a lot of stuff, especially it has fallen down so many times but they've survived a lot. That's why I love Soundcore earbuds. So can you grab this lipstick or cubic kind of small minimal buds? The answer is yes, you can 100%. Such an amazing kind of earbud from Soundcore, and it's really worth it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it throughout the video of today. These are my thoughts throughout the Soundcore earbud. I understand they have plenty of buds out there, but they're the most dope kind of buds. I've touched it and experienced the sound quality. It's really decent. It has a noise reduction and noise cancellation, and it has bunch of features, which it's great, and you can customize throughout the app section too, which it's dope. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Up to the next one. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that, so as we can hit around 8k subs by the end of the year. And I'm gonna be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.